Myself Tushar Patel from Srimati J.B. Patel College of Commerce Studies and Research. Course name Year FY BCom Semester 2. Subject English and Business Communication. Subject code UB02 ACOM 21. Keywords Process and Objective. Now let us see about communication. The word communication is arrived from the Latin to talk of attitudes through verbal or non-verbal way or group. There are 7 C's of communication, which is also known as number 1 clear, number 2 correct, number 3 complete, number 4 concrete, number 5 concise, number 6 consideration, number 7 courteous. The 7 C's of communication is a checklist that helps to improve your communication, increase the chance that the message would be understood in exactly the same way as it is intended. Number 1, the message the receiver. Communication should be clear to sender, then only the receiver will be sure to it. The message should be in a single goal at a perfect time. Number 2, correct. The message should be correct. For example, a correct language should be used, and the sender must be sure that there is no grammatical or spelling mistake in it. Number 3, complete. The message should be complete. For example, it must include all the information which requires receiver. The complete information gives the perfect answers from the receiver. Number 4, concrete. The communication should be clear and particularly such that no rooms of misinterpretation is left. All the factors should be very clearly mentioned in the message. Number 5, concise. The message should be concise and to the point. The sender should avoid a lengthy sentence which is possibly wrong for the receiver. The subject matter should be very brief, comprehensive, which helps to attend. Number 6, the sender must take into consideration the receiver's opinion, knowledge, mindset, background, etc. in order to have an effective communication. The must relate to the target and would be in communication. The sender must take into consideration both the feeling and the viewpoint of the receiver, such to receiver. Now let us see about communication cycle, which is also known as the process of communication, which starts from the sender encoding his message through a perfect channel, receiver coding, and at last feedback. Now let us see them one by one. The source of communication. He sends the message appropriate channel. If the sender is not, there is communication. The message is the content which contains verbal or non the medium through which message is sent or received. Several channels can be used to communicate. For example, speaking, writing, touching, etc. Receiver. Individual who receives the message sent, he is expected to have the ability or the skill to understand the message. Feedback. It is a return message sent by the receiver to the sender. It shows that the receiver has understood the message or not. In conclusion, we can say that communication is a two-way process. If the sender is the source of communication but the receiver is also giving a feedback, which is very important of communication process. Let us see that with a one example, student and a teacher. Teacher asks to student 1 plus 1 equals to what? Equals to 2. The teacher and the receiver was the student. If the sender means the teacher started the communication but the receiver means the student ended the communication by giving a feedback, that was the answer. Objectives are in every area of performance and result in life. It is the purpose with which we. There are many objectives like information, suggestions, order, advice, counseling, warning, rising moral, etc. Now let us see that from one by one. Number one, information is passing or receiving information about any fact or circumstances. Current for that. If the would not be good, then the Suggestions are also in office. Employees can be encouraged to give another example of suggestion box order. Gives the order. It flows as some are very special. Some orders are written, whereas some are oral. For example, don't park here is a perfect example of order. Advice. Advice is based on individual or can be given on personal. Advice contains a personal touch. For example, a friend or someone who is counseling is very similar to advice, but advice contains a personal touch, whereas counseling contains a professional touch. Counseling is given by doctors or lawyers. If employees does not, some examples of warning is a forceful of morals. Morals contains patience, confidence, which stands for mental health, must act to bind the people together to each other. Objectives of communication like instruction, education, which can also be added in these objectives. Thank you.